Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to ban a member in your Discord server, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to ban a member on your Discord server, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the server for which you want to ban a member. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to tap the server name at the top. And after that, you will then be directed to the server's profile. So now that you're on your server's profile, I want you to go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, scroll down until you find the Members option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. So here in the Members section, you will now be able to see all the members of your server, so just find the one that you want to ban. So let's say that this is the member that you want to ban, for example. So to do that, first, I want you to tap their profile. And after that, you will now be able to see the ban option right here, so just go and tap it. And then right here, though this is optional, but you can choose if you want to delete this member's messages by selecting a time range. This helps manage any disruptive content they may have posted before they were banned. And after selecting, you can now scroll down. And right here, though this is also optional, but you can enter the reason why you want to ban this member. And after entering the reason, you can now tap the ban button to completely ban this member. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully banned the member in your Discord server. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.